See, this is how to create a new HTML project with VS Code. Open your VS Code application, whether on Windows or Mac. Then you can come to click File and then click Open. Then you create a new folder, and I'll just call this sample website. Then once you've created the folder, if you're on Windows, you click the folder that you just created and open it. Then click Open here. VS Code is now going to open that folder as a project here. You now have options here to either create a new file, create a new folder inside that project folder you just created. So you create a new file, index.html. You can create your folder, your assets folder. If you can toggle your folders here. So for now, I'm not going to add anything to the assets folder. I'm just going to put out my HTML template here. Then Ctrl S to save it, or you can come here, right click, you can come to File and then click Save. Once you're done, either you go back to your File Explorer to see the file you just created, the website file you just created, or you can easily select Reveal in Finder. If you're on Windows, you will be seeing Show in Explorer. So once you do that, you can now double click your HTML file and then run it in your browser. The website project you just created, or the website folder you just created on VS Code, when you've opened your VS Code, simply go to File, click on File, click Open, and then locate the folder or your website folder. Then click your folder and click Open. And here you have your website file opened again as a project, so you can continue working on your files.